Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have 125 square root plus 25 square root, and this whole term divided by 125 square root minus 25 square root. So we convert this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here we can solve this problem for two methods. So now here first we discuss our method first. So in this method here we just rewrite this 125 as in this form, because we know that 5 times of 25 is equals to 125, plus here you have a 25 square root, and this is divided by, here we have 125, we again write it as 5 times of square root of 25 minus we have a square root of 25. And now in the next step, you see here we have here we just take the square root of 25, and we know that the square root of 25 is equals to 5 times of this is square root of 5, plus here we have square root of 25 is 5 divided by, here we have square root of 25 is 5 into square root of 5 minus the square root of this 25 is also 5. So after that you see here we have 5 be the common from numerator as well as the denominator. So we take it common 5, and the remaining terms are square root of 5 plus 1 divided by 5 times of square root of 5 minus 1. So this is cancelled out by this one, and now here we obtain square root of 5 plus 1 divided by square root of 5 minus 1. So now in the next step we just rationalize the denominator of this term. So its denominator is square root 5 minus 1, so we rationalize it and we change the sign of the denominator and multiply and divide it here. So we get square root of 5 plus 1 divided by square root of 5 plus 1. So here we multiply the term. So we multiply square root of 5 plus 1 by this term, and we get here square root of 5 plus 1 and its whole square divided by, here we have square root of 5 minus 1 and square root of 5 plus 1. So here we use this nice square identity. A square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use this nice identity because we have square root 5 minus 1 into square root of 5 plus 1. So when we combine these two factors, then we get its output in this form, and we get square root of 5 and its whole square minus 1 square. So in the upper term we use the other square identity, and we know that a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So we use this nice identity to the numerator term. So our numerator term will becomes in this form square root of 5 square plus 1 square plus 2 times of square root of 5 into 1, and this is divided by, so this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 5 minus the square of 1 becomes 1. So now we need little bit simplifications here, and you see that this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 5 plus the square of 1 is 1, and this is 2 times of square root of 5 divided by 5 minus 4 becomes 5 minus 1 becomes 4. So 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 plus 2 times of square root of 5 divided by 4. So here we take common 2 from the numerator term, and we get the remaining terms are 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 4. So this is cancelled out by this one, 2 2s are 4, and here we get 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the our required simplified form. So this is the final answer in method number 1. So now we again solve this question by using the method number 2. So in second method, first we copy down the question statement, and now we again solve this problem by different approach. In this approach here, we just rationalize directly by this term. So when we rationalize this term, then it means that we rationalize this term by its denominator. So we change the sign of denominator and multiply it by here. So we get 125 square root plus 25 square root divided by 125 square root and plus 25 square root. So now we multiply the corresponding terms, and here we have 125 plus 25 square root are multiplied by same term, and we write it in this form: square root of 125 plus square root of 25 and its whole square divided by, here we have 125 minus 25 square root and 125 plus 25 square root. So when we combine these two terms by using the square identity, we can mention above first method. So we write it as square root of 125 and its whole square and minus square root of 25 and its whole square. So now here we again need a little bit simplification, and here we direct open this term by using the square identity, and we write it as 125 square root and plus whole square and plus 25 square root and its whole square and plus 2 times of 125 square root into 25 square root divided by, so this 2 and square root are gone, this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 125 minus 25. So here we need little bit simplification. These 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 125 plus these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 25 plus here we have 2 times of, we rewrite this term as 5 times of 25, and we know that the square root of this 25 is equals to 5, and this whole term divided by 125 minus 25 is equals to 100. So here we need more simplification, and we have 125 plus 25 equals to 150 plus this 2 times of 5 becomes 10, and here we have square root of 5 and square root of 25 equals to 5, and this is whole divided by 100. So now we multiply this 5 by 10, and we obtain here 150 plus 10 times of 5 becomes 50 into square root of 5 divided by 100. So here we just take common 50 from the above term, and it will be written as 50 into 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 100. So this is 52 is 100, and we get here 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the final answer in the second method. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.